Hello, my name is Emily Ensign. Today I'm going to show you how to use the AEA Online tool CultureGrams. So I'm on my school's Heartland AEA homepage. All I need to do is come down here to all of the choices for the pictures of the resources that are available. I'm going to go right here to CultureGrams. I'll click it. And I'm already logged in, but you would have to log in if you're not. And for my students, we do a project about different countries. So I would want them to go to World Edition over here. So I'll click Explore. And this map is interactive. Let's say that I know that my country is in Africa. I could either click here or go down here to the drop down and find Africa. From here, let's say that my country is Eritrea, which I know is near Ethiopia. So I could either, again, go down here on the drop-down list, or I could simply click on that country, and it will take me to a page of information about that country. My students are English language learners. Some of them would be able to access this just fine. Some of them might have a little problems with the reading, but they might be able to understand it if they hear it. This feature allows them to listen to someone reading this information. That might be a little easier for them. I like this because it gives a snapshot on the home page of whatever country it is that they're doing. For our assignment, they would need to go on here and look for the information. The skill that we practice is taking notes when we are doing research and gathering information. So they would practice taking notes as I would have shown them before, and this would simply be their resource, which gives me peace of mind to know that they're not going to find random things on the internet, that the information that they'll find here is good, and that it's very easy to take notes with all the subtitles and everything that it has on the page. From the home page, if they want to go a little deeper into their topic, their country, they can go over to the side list. So land and climate, for example, it has extra information. Again, they could listen if they want support with reading that also. So all of the different tabs on the side will simply give them more information. How they use this information, of course, would depend on our assignment, whether it's an essay or they're making their own video about the country, or they're doing an oral presentation or putting it in a PowerPoint. Whatever I decide to do with it, I can feel secure knowing that they're getting their information from a reliable source and that it will be good information for them to use, and that they're not going to find something inappropriate just searching the internet at large. So when I say go research this, they have a resource that they can go to, and they know that every time they're going to find appropriate information when we're talking about countries. Thank you.